Welcome back to Bunner's Crafts. Today we're making these adorable rosebud earrings. They're so pretty and honestly one of the easiest projects on this channel. For my sample, I'm working with a superfine yarn and a 1.5mm hook. Let's get started. Start with one magic ring around the finger. One chain. Insert the hook into the same chain, yarn over and pull the loop through. Now we have 2 loops on the hook. Now insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull through. Now we have 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops and 2 loops remain. Yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops and 1 loop remains. That's considered as the first double crochet stitch. Now make 12 more double crochet stitches across the ring. Tighten up the ring and make 1 slip stitch. For the second row, make 1 chain. Insert the hook into the same chain, yarn over and pull through. Insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops, and that's the first 1 double crochet stitch. Now in the same stitch, make another double crochet. In each of the next stitches, make 2 double crochets. And repeat this for the entire row. 2 double crochet in each stitch. And 1 slip stitch. For the third row, 1 chain, insert the hook into the same chain, yarn over and pull through. Insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Now in the same stitch, make another double crochet. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. In the next one, make 2 double crochet. And do this pattern every other stitch till the end of this row. And at the end of this row, 1 slip stitch. Now for the fourth row, make 1 chain, insert the hook, yarn over and pull the loop through. Insert the hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. In the same stitch, make another double crochet. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet. In the next one, make 1 double crochet. In the next one, make 2 double crochet. And repeat this pattern till the end. one last slip stitch. Now let's add a delicate border to this circle with another yarn with a different color. Tie a simple knot. Put it through one of the stitches, one chain, one slip stitch, one chain, in the next stitch, one slip stitch, one chain, in the next stitch, one slip stitch, and one chain. And do this for the entire row. Okay, now let's turn this into a flower. Roll the work into a tight coil. Wrap the yarn tightly around it. Tie a few small knots. And then cut off the extra yarn. And turn it right side out. And there's your flower. And if you enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. For the leaf base, make one magic ring, one chain, insert the hook into the chain, yarn over, and pull the loop through. Insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Now make 20 double crochets. Tighten up the ring. And make one slip stitch. Now make 9 chains. Insert the hook into the next chain, yarn over, and pull the loop through. Again, insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, and pull the loop through. Yarn over, and pull through all these loops at once. In the next chain, make 1/2 double crochet. And again, in the next chain, make 1/2 double crochet. In the next chain, 1 double crochet. Again, in the next chain, 1 double crochet. In the next chain, 1 extended double crochet. In the next chain, 1 extended double crochet. Now skip 3 stitches and in the 4th one make 1 slip stitch. 9 chains, and repeat these steps 5 times to create this piece. Now let's attach this part to the flower using glue. Then, using a needle and thread, sew this tiny connecting ring to the center of the flower. And here's a rosebud. And if we connect an earring hook to this tiny connecting ring, we're gonna have a set of beautiful rosebud earrings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and hit subscribe. Have a great day!